Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my equipment and supplies are down in the description box, so check it out. They've got some links down with them. And if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified of new videos, then hit that notification bell. Okay, I am so excited. These are teeny tiny, you can see. They're $5 at Hobby Lobby, but since all this craziness and they're out of, everybody's graduated by now, 50 cents a piece. They're wood. I'm so excited. Can't stand it. So I'm going to do, I think, a couple of just fun stuff. I don't know. As usual, if you watch my alcohol ink tapes, I don't have anything planned out. And I kind of fly and enjoy it and pick and choose as I go. And, yeah, that's my role. So let me think. Just very quickly, I'm thinking maybe a black background with maybe a white puddle with maybe some red in the middle, or orange or yellow, and blow it out like a flower, but like from here. Shoom. I think that'd be cute. I mean, this is already black, so here's half my battle. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now, I've done some pours, and I've got this slate color. I don't know if I want to use that or not. Or do I want a straight black? No, straight black. I want to use straight black. Okay, straight black. So I've already got it mixed up. Now my mixture is half and half and half. So let me explain that. So 100 grams of Floetrol, half that to 50 of paint, half that to 25 of water. That's what I do for these. I know there's different thicknesses, but that's my kind of go-to. That's where I generally operate in. So let's just get this covered. And I've taped off the back, as you saw. I do want to put paint here just so it's all painted and it doesn't have the original black. I do want to kind of have that look. Oh, sorry, it hit the phone. Okay, that'll all settle and start leveling itself. Okay, there's that. Give that a good little swipe of the torch. I think I want a little bit more on there because I really want this to flow and not stop at a not good spot. All right. For my center, geez, what do I want? Red's kind of assumed, isn't it? I do have some orange. Not much, but it's probably enough. Wow, I didn't know this was going to be that hard. So yeah, I do think I'm going for the red. It is red. I was going to say it's not a real bright red, but it is. So, ooh, purple. Purple. Purple it is. That'll be great. Okay. Yay. All right, that was easy. No, it wasn't. Okay. We'll stick some here. some of this, put it here. I'll put some more here. All right, and I do want some gold bronze. I've got some bronze here just to do a little fun thing. Okay, that's it. All right. I didn't have my blow dryer ready. I didn't think I was going to be doing any blow drying today, so I don't have it hooked up. Let me get that done. All right, we'll put black here. Kind of blow it back over, and then we'll see what we got. Okay, that's incredible. Wow. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna get my head in this. Jeez. I don't even know that I want to blow that part back. Wow. That's nuts. I am so amazed every time I do this. And you kind of know what's coming. You kind of get it, but still. So pretty. Yeah, I think that's a thing. I do want to touch these sides. They don't look great. Now, that'll smooth out and look fine. Yay! Oh, sorry. My big hair is getting in the way. That's nuts. Crazy pretty. Now, the reason I'm doing a lot of that is the gold went up here and went kind of browny. Here it's a peachy color, so I wanted to break some of that up. But other than that, wow. That is awesome. 50-cent piece with probably another 50 cents worth of paint. You can't have that much fun. Wow. Look at some of that. See what I say about the copper? Awesome, awesome. All right, I hope this gave you some good ideas, and y'all go have fun.